What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. If you want to plug headphones into an Apple device, what you gonna do? Well, the answer is you need one of these little adapters, and this one I picked up, it's from IQIYI. And it says MFi Certified, so it's supposedly compatible with iPhones, but even though some promise me that they are, some have worked more reliably than others. And really the key here is, does it, I'm just gonna go hardcore on this thing, does it work after several minutes of listening? That's really the test, because a lot of these will work kind of initially, and then you'll get something like, hey, this device is not supported. Now, it's got a little protector on here, I'm not sure why, but you can see it looks just like the standard Apple one, but it says IQIYI on it. Now, I do have a pair of earbuds here, kind of standard generic earbuds. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this sucker in and fire it up. No issues there. And I will tell you, I can hear it. Yeah, Peter Cetera. And now I'm just gonna let this thing play for a while, and you know, if I can get through 10 minutes of Peter Cetera without any error messages popping up, I guess I'll feel pretty confident that this works. I'll be back through the glory of love, and I can tell you this IQE lightning adapter works, and I've never gotten an error on it, so I feel pretty comfortable with this, that this truly is MFi certified. Check it out if you want one that works reliably. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda out.